Hello guys, welcome back to another super fast tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video in text reflection effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've already added a video to my timeline that I want to play inside my text. Go over to your type tool and type in some text. Then go over to Essential Graphics and make whatever changes to the text that you want. But be advised this effect works best with a large style font. Now go over to Effects and search for Track MATC and add that to your video clip. Then go over to Effect Controls and expand the Matte drop-down. Then select whatever layer that your text is on. Now we are going to add text reflection, which will give our video a professional look. So create an adjustment layer and place it on the top of all layers. Go over to Effects and search for Mirror and add that on to the adjustment layer. Now highlight the mirror in Effect Controls, and then we should see this little dot up here. We can drag this dot over to the end of our text. Then I will change the reflection angle to 90 degrees. Then place the mirror effect best position using that preview screen dot. Now we're going to add some fade effects to our text reflection. So select that rectangle mask icon under the mirror, then adjust your mask like this. Then change mask feather and mask opacity as your wish. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.